I thought today it was time for an update. Haven't done one in forever. Month, I think, at least. And give you a hint about what I've been doing. The last video showed my manual mill, basically filing. Now I'm going to show you what I've been filing. Ready? Okay, hold on. If you're standing up, you better sit down. If you're sitting down, you better stand up. Da da da! My little project. I'm making a little modeler's lathe, metal lathe. Found the plans on the internet. Probably seen them. Probably thought, what an idiot would make that. Well, that's me. I wanted something that was cheap, easy to make, doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to be, you know, there's no power, there's no feed, there's no nothing. It's completely manual, which is fine, because I don't know what I'm doing. I wanted to do a little bit of this stuff, and I figured this would be a great way to learn, and boy have I learned a lot. Mostly keep your thumb out of the way. My first try, it's coming apart, was just a quick and dirty, see if I could do it. And it came out okay. It's falling apart because I've taken some of the parts off of it to use on the new one. So, oops. It's just filed together. I made the mistake. I just charged blindly in and never bothered to read anything. I just looked at the pictures. These are 45 degrees. This angle here is 45, and it should have been 30. And let me tell you, it's a lot easier doing the 30 than the 45. So anyway, put that back out of the way here. Let me move the camera, give you a better close-up shot of my progress. Well, here it is in close-up. It's angle iron for the bed / ways, whatever you want to call it. No headstock, no tailstock yet. Haven't got to that. This is just bolted together, and this is screwed together. Take that off. Can you see that? High tech. Here's the, put that out of the way. Gonna need that. This is, we have X and Y, or X and Y, depending on which denomination you are. Here, let me pull this apart. I'm being lazy and using the driver. Okay, we're off. It's a 1/4 inch 28 TPI all thread for the, whatever that term is, for the screw. All hand filed. That's the Gibbs strip. Hand filed, took forever. Here they are, and yes, they're crooked. And yes, nothing's straight, but it's good enough for now. We have This is basically the underside. Well, this is the underside. It's not basically the underside. This is the underside. A little strip to keep it from rotating. Almost works. But I'm still going to have to use a square to set it. Or come up with something on the back. Okay, let me tell you. For all you machinists, metalworkers, fabricators, whatever, look the other way. Or cover your mouth when you laugh. Anyway, pinned together, then the holes drilled, tapped. Couldn't find the correct countersink, so I just used it because, you know, that's me. This is the, I don't know what you call it, but you put them together and you get your dovetail way. All right, got the little gib adjustment screws. I don't know if you can see those or not. In there, there's the adjustment holes there, and there. In and out, in and out. The little screw, you know, the little dimples to hold the adjusters in. Put it back together. And get this the right way. This is drilled all the way through here. Comes out the backside. It's got 1/2 inch of threads through here, and then the backside is clearanced out. Put that where you can see it. It's clearanced out there, so you have to look at it to put it in the correct way. Like that, and then that just screws in. But I'm lazy, so we'll use the power drill. I've got it 2 nuts here wedged against each other, jam nuts, to turn it until I make the wheels for it. I have an idea, but so anyway, this goes back together on here. It's a massive machine, 12 inches from there to there. I don't know how high it is. Well, 2 inches. It's 1 inch and 1 inch. Gives me 2-inch height. I can get my fingers under it. This fits in there to keep it from rotating much. And I haven't decided which is going to be the headstock side and the tailstock side, so I'm just setting it in however. And there's a little play this way, but it moves. There's a little tight spot right there. Okay, we'll do a little demonstration with the hands. We've got, this comes out, and I don't know if this would be considered the X or the Y, and I understand it's a denominational thing, which is considered X and which is considered Y, and I'm not getting into any theological discussions just yet. Get my hand out of the way so you can see what's going on. It's really exciting. This is a 28 TPI thread, so I haven't worked out the math yet on how much per revolution, basically because I don't have the math and I can't find the equation easily because I haven't looked. So anyway, I'll just give you a quickie for all 4 sides view of it so you can
There's the, depending on how I put it together, this is either the back or the front. I don't know yet, but for this would be the back in this configuration. There's the back side. There's where the hole is. And this doesn't reach to the edge. So I think I'll just make some form of a lip thing to capture that edge. And here, in this configuration, this is a headstock side. I don't know if you can see it, but adjusting holes for the adjustment screws right along the bottom there. And back around to the front. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I've enjoyed making it. This is like the 10th time I've tried to do this video. Love computers. They make me screw up so much faster than I could on my own. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give me a thumbs down. If you don't care, either way, don't do anything. Alright, thanks for watching. There will be more to come. That's a thread.